Today's video is all about how to change your Instagram password. It's important to keep your password strong and secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your Instagram password. To change your Instagram password, the first step is to open the Instagram app on your mobile device or visit the Instagram website on your computer. Once you're on the Instagram app or website, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account Center. Tap on Password and Settings. Tap on Change Password. Tap on the account you want to change the password. On the password page, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. Enter your current password in the field provided. After entering your current password, you'll need to enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long and contain a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To confirm your new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the field provided. Once you've entered your new password twice, tap on the Change Password button. Instagram will confirm that your password has been changed. You'll see a message that says, "Your password has been changed." That's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram password. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.